Hi, I'm Bob McNutt, and I'm from St. Louis, Missouri, as well as Bell Harbor, Florida. I had my RLE surgery done in St. Louis at Brinton Vision. Well, I wore contacts for 25 years. Well, I played a lot of sports in high school and college, and the contacts always kind of made me second guess things a little bit, okay? So not wearing contacts has opened up a whole new world for me, and it's incredible, because if I'd known this could be done then, I would have had it done then, but they didn't have the technology. So, well, I had looked for about 2 years to have somebody do my eyes. Interviewed a lot of places, from Florida to St. Louis, and the best place I found was with Jason, and I'm very, very, very happy. Very pleased. Everything he said was accurate, and he let me know what was going to happen before it happened. So I had no concerns coming here. He's a great guy, great staff, and being in healthcare, an executive of healthcare, I know professionals when I see them, and this is the place to go. My vision before I came in here was very poor. I was nearsighted, and I came in here, and my vision right now is 20/20, and that's phenomenal. I wake up every morning and my life's back to where it was never has been before for 25 years. When I came here, it's professional, it's what I expected, and the nice thing is it's tax exempt, okay? So you can write this off your income tax. So that's a very, very important point that I want to stress to anybody, because why pay the government when you can have your eyes fixed? First thing was the doctor did the surgery on my eye. It was very non-invasive, it was quick. He explained everything that was going to happen before it happened. And as soon as I got done with the surgery, it was relatively quick. It took maybe 15 minutes. No pain, no discomfort. And when it was done, then I was able to get up. The doctor walked me through everything, and then when I was done, I sat down for a little bit, and then I had someone drive me to the hotel, and then I went to sleep for about 2 hours, and then when I woke up, things were starting to get very clear. And by that night, my vision was probably 80% of where it needed to be, and the next morning when I woke up, it was perfect. That quick, just like he said. Somebody that's on the fence and you're not sure, don't let that control your life, because if that happens, you're robbing yourself of your vision. That's what I would say. Everything they tell you is accurate. They describe in advance what's going to happen, and they tell you what the outcome is going to be, okay? And then they do the follow-up. So, you know, the confidence from a Harvard-trained doctor is phenomenal, because, you know, you get what you pay for, and here you definitely get what you pay for, okay? Plus they're great people, okay? You know, you can have all sorts of people, doctors do this, do that. Here, they really care, and they're great. How many times have you had a procedure like this and the doctor calls you up twice that afternoon to see how you're feeling? I mean, seriously, I've been in healthcare for almost 40 years. I've never had that happen. Thank you very much for being who you guys are and what you do for people like me.